Every day, millions of people use Instagram for everything from sharing photos to building brands. But for anyone in the marketing game, reaching your target audience with personalized messages can be a bit of a struggle, especially when you're on a budget. I started asking myself, why should we pay so much just to connect with people on social media? And that's when I knew I had to find a better way, so I decided to take matters into my own hands. My goal was to create an Instagram automation tool that could reach people based on hashtags, interact with followers, and do it all without the high fees. The first step, building a simple, functional prototype. I thought I'd keep it basic and start with a console app, but I quickly realized that a console app wouldn't be as user-friendly for non-developers. So, I shifted my approach. I'd go with a web app instead. To build this web app, I chose a tech stack that would keep things sleek and responsive. For the front end, I went with Tailwind. It's simple but powerful for creating clean and modern UIs. And on the back end, I picked Python and Django, a framework that offers a lot of built-in features like an admin panel, authentication, and a strong security foundation. Django was the perfect choice because it's fast, reliable, and has an admin panel that would be perfect for tracking user tasks and interactions. Next, I had to decide how to actually automate interactions on Instagram. I didn't want to use Selenium, which, while useful, can be slow for this kind of task. After some research, I found Instagrappy, a well-maintained library with excellent community support, which would let me handle everything directly through Instagram's API. My main goal was clear: build an effective marketing automation tool. But I didn't want to stop there. I planned ahead and created a UI that would support future features. With this mindset, I built out the basic features first: a sign-up and login system, a dashboard where users can track their tasks, and of course, the automation features for sending DMs and targeting posts by hashtag. With my tech stack decided, it was time to get into the development. I set up my workspace in VS Code, created a GitHub repository, and began installing the necessary Python packages. It started off smoothly, but soon, I ran into some unexpected challenges. Some parts were trickier than I expected. Debugging the Instagram login process, handling session data, and managing API limitations made things interesting. I hit some low points where I felt like this project was just too much, but I didn't want to quit. Eventually, I focused on just getting the basics right. I set up a working login, a dashboard where users could monitor their automation tasks, and then built out the Auto DM feature. Now, with just a hashtag and the number of posts to target, I could automate messages directly to users who matched my criteria. And it worked, finally. My own Instagram automation solution was ready to use. But I am not done yet. This is only the beginning. I plan to add more features, from analytics to advanced audience segmentation, and launch this as a SaaS product. Who knows, maybe this project will help other marketers as much as it has helped me. If you've ever struggled with connecting to your audience on Instagram or been frustrated by high-priced automation tools, consider building your own. With the right tools, some persistence, and a few setbacks along the way, you can create something that not only saves you money but makes reaching your audience easier than ever. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need a bit of inspiration or guidance. I will be posting updates, new features, and more automation tips, so stay tuned for what's next.